Alright, here we go again. Alright. Is it hard or something? Is it hard or something?
It's not hard, it's just open it up and get it. Open it up. I did it a little bit. Turn it over.
Think it's still too high?